Okay, rolling now. Saturday morning, the 13th of March, 9:07, 9:08 a.m. A lot of wind last night, so that bird feeder we're concentrated on now is wrapped around a small branch in the tree. I just went and unwound it and added a little more food to it. Missed 2 meal cardinals together, trying to go for it at the same time, and one seemed to chase the other one off, and I guess it didn't hang around too much itself either, so. But let me zoom in from 2 point something, that's about 3.1. Let me see how the focus is on this. That better, right there is probably good. Well, at least it looks good to me. Yeah, nice and clear. It takes this camera a couple of few seconds to focus itself. So this is my old Samsung, was it the JX3? Using the camera on that with my 12 times telescopic magnifier, I guess it's referred to as. And I'm trying to get, hopefully I can get him. Where is he? Just below him there was another bird sitting there, like he's waiting his turn. I should have zoomed out, but I didn't. Let me zoom out. No, wrong way. Other way. Oh, he has a number of birds there. He's in the back of the feeder now. What did he take off? Then see. What's happened down at the suet cake? Nothing. Yeah, he's at the back of the feeder. Another bird gonna come over and take his place or what? There were a couple others. Nope, there's one there waiting. One there. See if I can find him in this thing. There he is, right there. Diddy, where are you? Right there. Yeah, there he is up there. Oh, I'll cut it right there.